Hello and welcome back. Today we're working on yet another one, A1708, but this one does charge, does power on, and the strange symptom it has is that after a while it starts going full blast on the CPU fan and kinda gets slow, that kind of thing. We're gonna wait a bit so that it does go full throttle on the CPU fan so that you guys can hear it, and then we'll go ahead and disassemble it and start checking for obviously what is a sensor problem, either with the trackpad or the keyboard or something around the logic board. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it, but it has started. I'm sure you can hear it by now. And not the bike that is crossing the street. See? There's a microphone here. And it kind of smells funny too. Let's shut this down and disassemble it so that we can figure out what it is that it's making this little pretty MacBook Pro activate its sensors. You know the drill, 6 screws on the bottom and suction cup, lift and pull, as we usually do. Come on, you know it by now, don't you? Disconnect the battery. That's the first thing we always do. And to remove the battery screw as well. This has a changed battery. Let's remove the trackpad cable here as well. I don't see anything going on at first sight, but since this is a fairly easy laptop to disassemble, let's remove the logic board and check under the microscope for any signs of liquid damage or any damaged components due to the battery being replaced, because not everyone is as careful as we are or as you are. Depends. I can see some scratching here on the camera cable flex. And the camera flex cable, okay, there it is, much better. I don't know if you can see it too, but here, oh my god, this is, holy moly. Can you see this? I don't think we need to look any further, because we found that this is where the funny smell is coming from. Oh man, I hate doing this kind of flex cables. I hate it. Let's see. By removing the LCD and the MacBook Pro thingy here and the plastic things, these ones, look what I found out. This is actually the camera flex cable, and it's kind of burned up to here. So stupid me is gonna try and cut it here and maybe solder a new one on the spot that I will cut it, because this screen has taken such a beating that if I try to remove the LCD itself, it's gonna be probably broken. Wish me luck. Okay, now that the flex soldering has been, well, hopefully done, this is the end result. What is left to be done is just connect this here. Bring the rest of the laptop here. Try putting it somehow in its place so that we can just test if the full fan thingy has stopped and if the camera, I mean, it's quite ambitious for the camera to be working, but you never know. We'll see. Oh, come on. This is not a very convenient position. Okay, and I just need one more screw on the other side. It should suffice for the purpose of testing. Let's connect the T-con with the LCD cable, and trackpad is connected. Let's connect the left speaker here as well. We don't want anything to be left not connected. We need a battery screw, which is right here. And let's connect the battery flex cable here. So first things first, let's connect the power supply and check if the laptop will turn on. Okay, there's the Apple logo. It seemed to me that it kind of booted faster. No loud fan spinning so far. Oh, it even stopped. Can this be the case? I'm obviously gonna hide all of this. I just want to find the camera. Come on. Fingers crossed. We have a trackpad here, launchpad, FaceTime. Come on. No. No camera. Well, I'm guessing the short has gone up to the camera itself, so there's nothing to be done about that. Well, we gave it a shot. At least we fixed the full fan and the throttling. So we got that going for us, which is nice. Well, I hope you learned something, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.